Hi everyone, it's Teresa from Crafts by Teresa. So I know I was supposed to come on here Sunday and announce the winner to my little giveaway I had to the altered sunglass case. And I'm sorry I'm late on that, but I'm doing it now. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 entries. For someone to win this altered case that I did. So I have the names here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the names up, and then I'm going to stick them in this cup and draw a name out. So let's get these cut. And when I draw the winner, I will do my best to contact you, but if you can, reach out to me too, just in case I have any issues trying to contact you. That way I can get it, make sure I have your address and get it sent out to you. This is a cup that my daughter made for me. It's a mermaid's cup. It says Mermom on there. She made this with, it's got my name. She did the resin and stuff on here. But she made the little mermaid scales out of paper, and she wrapped them all around one by one. So I'm using this cup really quick just to draw the names. And I'll be doing other giveaways this month too, and the months to come. So be looking for that. And I'm also having my auction February 8th at 1 p.m. Pacific time. I'll have lots of goodies and giveaways, lots of fun crafts I'll have to for people to bid on. So be looking for that. All right, let's mix these up. All right, let's see who I got here. And it's Miss Ann Aubrey. Ann Aubrey, you are the winner of this cute little altered sunglass case. So if you can, reach out to me on Facebook Messenger. I don't believe I've ever mailed to you, so I know I don't have your address. So get in touch with me. I'll do my best to get in touch with you. And yeah, you're the winner of this altered sunglass case. So thank you for commenting on my video. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll come back to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.